Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change the ringtone on your Arattai mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the ringtone on your Arattai application, I'm just going to show in this video. For changing the ringtone of your Arattai application, chat application, first of all, you just click on the three dot option. After clicking on the setting option, after clicking on the setting option, you have a lot of other options, but here you just need to click on the option called call and meeting. And here you have the first option called caller tunes. Click on the caller tune option. So here you can have a total of 5 different type default tunes. You can just click on this and play the added tune, then you can just select it. Then if you just need to use your custom tone, upload your custom tone, click on the first plus symbol and you can just select the tone from your own. And after selecting it, click on the set option. That's it. This is how you just change the ringtone on your Arattai chat application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.